All right, tell Mom bye. Say I love you, Mom. You're the best mom ever.
Bye.
All right, we're off like a herd of turtles. Let me tell you the story. What's going on? It's a good story. But this gentleman saw my work hanging in another private home here, loved it, found out who I was and contacted me and said, Trey, there's this really special place I want you to take a photo of. It's very meaningful to me. And he wants me to take 3 photos of it from 3 perspectives, and he's paying quite a bit of money. So that means I gotta do a good job, okay? So that's why I'm being very serious, well, as serious as I can be about anything. You can't take art that seriously, right? So right now, my son, Ethan, who I love very much, who's holding the camera, he's gonna be my assistant today. I have another assistant, good friend, Stu. He's the one that I did Antarctica with. We spent a month in Antarctica. We're going to kind of extreme conditions. We're going to be off for 24 hours. We're going to jump in a helicopter. We're going to fly to this place. You can hike there, but it takes like a week to hike in there. I don't know who's got the time. So we're going to go in there, do 4 or 5 landings at different spots to get different perspectives. And our final landing will be down by this beautiful waterfall. And that's where we're going to camp out for the night. Trey's helicopter camera settings, shooting with the Sony A7R Mark II. On it, I have the 24 to 240 lens, one of my favorite lenses. I'm in manual mode, 1/2000th of a second. I might speed it up to 1/4000th or 8000th. Auto ISO.
Can you pass me?
Yes.
Sorry, so now I'm talking
I can
to
pass you
your
whatever.
son.
Hello. And then
being very strict. Yeah, Roger. No, no, no. That's not his son. That wasn't me. My lips never moved.
we just made our first landing. This whole expanse is much too wide for any one shot. So of course I'm doing a panorama, okay? So I'm starting down here. So I'm gonna do something at F10 all throughout just to make sure I get everything in focus. So I'm basically making a grid, right? Like square there, square at the horizon, another square up top, and then I'm gonna go 7 across. So a set of 21 squares. But I'm actually doing auto bracketing on each one, so it's 3 exposures on each one. So that means I'll end up with 63 for those of you counting at home. I landed here first time because I love that waterfall. I love all the waterfalls, but especially that one. So that'll be sort of the main attraction on the right side. Here we are at our second landing. So what I'm going to try to do is use this camera, my ground-based camera, to do the top row, a top row panorama, and then use the quad to do everything below that. And then I will try to stitch them together into one contiguous photo. I don't actually know if I can do it yet or not. We'll see, we'll see. All right, next stop, the campsite. Oh yeah. And then there were 3 of us. We're here all night. We have no tent. We have 2 umbrellas because somebody forgot to pack the tents and the chairs. That somebody is me. We have 2 tents, 3 sleeping bags, enough food. We've got wine. We've got chocolate. What else do we need? We've got it all.
Yeah, so I forgot the tents. Look, I got a lot on my mind. Anyway, it was a great 2 days, and I finally got the shots I wanted. I'm working on them right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time.